Hello, today I'm going to make Kakdugi Kimchi, one of the traditional Korean kimchi. Please refer to the description for detailed information. Kakdugi is a type of kimchi made with radish in Korean cuisine. It contains all the ingredients commonly used in kimchi, but radish replaces cabbage. Kakdugi is a popular side dish for Koreans along with cabbage kimchi. First, wash the radish thoroughly and cut it into bite-sized squares. Place the cut radish in a container, add 60 ml of salt and 60 ml of sugar. Mix well and leave for 30 minutes. Now, let's make the Kakdugi kimchi seasoning. First, make glutinous rice paste. Just like when making sukbokji, add 15 ml of glutinous rice powder to 1 cup of water and stir quickly. When the water starts boiling on high heat, reduce the heat to low. Let the finished glutinous rice paste cool down sufficiently. Clean 1 apple, 2 small onions, and 15 of ginger and grind them in a blender. At this time, add 15 ml of shrimp paste, 60 ml of fish paste, and 45 ml of plum extract and grind them together in the blender. Chop the green onions finely. Now strain the pickled radish through a sieve to drain all the pickling liquid and put it in a container. Add the chopped green onions, the seasoning ground in the blender, glutinous rice paste, and 180 ml of red pepper powder. Lastly, add 45 ml of minced garlic and mix well. Place it in the prepared kimchi container and let the kimchi ferment at room temperature for about 24 hours. Then store it in the refrigerator. Enjoy the kimchi and have a nice day.